All right, YouTube, welcome to part 7. I know it has been a long time. If you see in the background here, this is the springtime, early spring, and now we are at the 1st of December when I'm making this video. I apologize, I just got busy during the summer. I was trying different editing things to make this final video. I did not get it to work exactly the way I wanted to, but now I finally got around to doing it. You'll see here it is all together, and I got the plow on there for adjustment purposes. You need about 200 to 300 pounds of weight on the back when adjusting the quadrant or the lift lever of these tractors. There's the PTO going around. The 9 ends and 2 ends and 8 ends are not live hydraulics. You need the PTO in gear to move the lift system. So here you'll see me walk up, and I'm just demonstrating what it looks like after I restore the whole hydraulic system. There is no down pressure on these N-series tractors. You'll see it fall quicker than it goes up. That is about the speed in which they should go up. Notice there's no jerking or anything. I can pretty much stop the plow anywhere I want it to. I know the 9 ends and 2 ends, a lot of guys bash them. They say, you know, the hydraulics are junk, you want an 8 end. They're so much better. Yes, the 8 ends are better hydraulics. They got position control and draft control. But with a properly working 9 end, 2 end, it's really not that big of a deal, honestly. I don't think so. That is my opinion, though. And yeah, I think a lot of the guys that bash it are probably dealing with a poor system, in my opinion. You'll see here in a little bit the lift lever that I'm telling you about. When the implement is up in the air, naturally your lever is the whole way up like you see it there. When you start to go down, push it down, between 2 5/8 or 2 3/4 from the top, right around in that position, that is when the implement should start to drop. Okay? You don't want it to do anything before that. And how you get that adjustment is you just mess around with these 4 screws that you see and slide the whole mechanism back and forth until you get the acquired adjustment. Next up here, you'll see me pretty soon here backing up the driveway here. I am testing the brakes and getting them adjusted. Unfortunately, I did not get a video of the final test of me stopping the tractor. It does stop in this little clip right here, but it stopped a little bit slow. I just had to do some adjustments. It's no big deal. That's what I expect to do after all that work. You'll see me here soon just take off in 3rd gear and try to build up a little momentum to stop the tractor. I wish I could put the audio of the tractor running. This tractor is really, it sounds great. The gears are very quiet. It turned out really good. As you saw right there, I mean, I came to a stop, but it was a little bit slow. I just want to take this time to thank everybody who watched these videos and commented on all the YouTube videos. I shared this on a couple of Ford forums like Facebook and all the other things you see online. Just got a lot of response from different countries. Totally blown away how many people are working on these tractors, how many people are restoring them and use them every day. It's pretty amazing. I know somebody's going to ask me what kind of scraper blade that is. That is a Freeman scraper blade that is 7 foot wide. It is heavy. It's an old one. It's probably about in the 70s. My grandfather bought that brand new. We did sandblast it at one time and put another decal on the top, but it works good. We don't use a whole lot. Our winters aren't that bad, but when we need it, it's there. Here is the clutch pedal and brake on the left-hand side. You see me jiggling that? I've never seen a 9 end or 2 end that didn't do that. They kind of stick a little bit, and you really wouldn't know until you jack up the tire, and you'll notice that it does that. So if you have one of them, just put your hand down there and jiggle it every now and then if you're going on a long run. But here is the clutch and the brake adjustment. Yes, you can use the left brake as you push in the clutch. A lot of people don't know that. So if you were on a hill and you wanted to stop, you would just need to push in the clutch, and then the left brake pedal would engage, and then you can just get your right leg or foot and press on the other side. I know a lot of guys hate the 9Ns and 2Ns because of that. A lot of them don't know that that is actually, you are able to do that. I've grown up with these tractors since pretty much I couldn't even walk yet. I was driving these tractors. It's really no big deal to me because I'm so used to it. But after all the little adjustments I was doing there, I am happy with the results. So I'm going to be back in the tractor, back in the building here. And again, thanks for everyone who watched all these videos. I've got a lot of emails asking questions and everything. I really appreciate that. I got a lot of questions. Always people ask me, do I work on the tractors, if they brought them to me? And the answer is no. I just really don't see the cost. It just costs too much. A lot of people wouldn't want to pay that much to do it. Here it is with the 8N that we have, and then here it is with it parked with another 46 2N that we have. There's a John Deere A, and then you can see in the corner there a little Gravely tractor as well. So thanks for watching. Again, sorry it took so long, but this does complete the entire series. Thanks for watching, guys.